Let's just say that Connie and Connor were going through some hard times. Sad and stressful times, ending with the need to sell their home now because they needed cash like yesterday. They fortunately contacted RENOMAX and chose to sell now with their direct program, the perfect solution for them. RENOMAX has a Sell Now program, which is fast, easy, and fair. They responded quickly to Connie and Connor and agreed to a fair price within minutes. Better yet, the whole transaction was wrapped up within days. No waiting around for weeks and months on end to get their cash out of the house. Connie and Connor were thrilled with the cash and went on to better things. If you want to sell your home in the shortest amount of time, days rather than months, then contact RENOMAX and ask about their direct program.